Hey, welcome back to another video, and today I have a problem with my LG dryer. So this problem is when the door is closed, it continues to run. I can pause, I can turn off, but it never stops running until you open the door. Yeah, it's this. So that's the door switch. So what we're actually going to do is replace the board that has the relay that turns the drum on and off. So follow along, we'll get this fixed. All right, got the new board in. These boards are pretty readily available online. Some of them are old boards that have been remanufactured. This one is totally encased. I don't think I could have fixed this even if I wanted to. It's completely encased in like a, feels like a epoxy. It's got quite a few relays. One of these things are likely bad. So let's get this replaced. Okay, first things first, we're gonna unplug this big daddy. Okay, then one more in the middle. Okay. We now have a cover that's going to come off. So that's basically holding it all together. Set that aside. This should just lift off. Oh yeah, there we go. So pulls. Okay, let's get some stuff out of the way here. I'm not sure if there's really going to be any more screws, but this should just lift off now. Okay. And here we are. So, okay, so this model, because it's got the steamer, so the board is over here. But as you can see, just one screw holding the whole thing on. Okay, looks like the right one. So that's positive. So this one, this new one, doesn't have this, so I'm not sure what it looks like. Some type of an audio thing. Buzzer, it says. Interesting. This has a buzzer on it. Okay, gotta try to get these out. These, it's got little clippy things, looks like. It's got to be for movement. See, there's this clip that holds it in place. Okay, now I can see better. I can see that this one has a little squeeze tab on it. You pull up. This is actually pretty satisfying to plug these in. Everything's all back the way it was. It was pretty simple, I'd say. I'd say the biggest thing, don't drop anything down there. Went right on. All right, then we got this. Okay, let's make sure this, I just cleaned all this out not too long ago, so it's probably a good opportunity to clean it out if you haven't. Okay, let's see if it turns on. It's a good sign. All right, let's get this pushed back somehow. All right, that's how you do it. That part wasn't that expensive, and it was actually very easy to do. Just make sure you unplug the dryer before you do anything. You definitely don't want to get shocked. I would actually rate this job a 1 out of 5. That's how easy it is. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.